welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Tylak. Welcome, Tylak. Hey, Stella. Welcome, Stella. Welcome. All right, guys, let's go over the markets. Hope everyone had a great weekend. All right. I want to open up this evening with uh, Bitcoin. All right. So we've been talking about Bitcoin, guys. Look at Bitcoin. All right. 63,000, guys. 63,800 on Bitcoin. Big move. It's actually breaking, looking to break its all-time highs. Now, Bitcoin made it to about, I think it was 60, 68, 69,000. All right. But it did not close. It closed last time it went up this much, closed at about right at about 64,000. So we're about 800 points or so. All right. From the all-time high. We could see buyers really jump in. All right. So if it breaks resistance here, buyers could really jump in. Now, this is on the weekly time frame. All right. Now we've called some buy signals. First buy signal was at 28,000, closed at 40,000. Next buy signal was at 48,000 and currently at 63,000. So big move in Bitcoin. Litecoin also moving higher. All right. Litecoin gapped up here. All right. Early move in Litecoin. Ethereum also moving higher. All right. Now, all-time high on Ethereum is all the way up here. All right. And then Bitcoin Cash also gapped up. Look at this big move gapped up here, guys. Look at this gap up. All right. Big gap up here. All right. Closed on Friday. What was that? Right at 284, gapped up this evening 467. So big move in cryptos. You guys will notice that some of the other cryptocurrencies are also moving higher. All right. So great moves in crypto. Okay. All right. Big picture on equities. All right. Big picture equities. All right. Equities still holding firm. All right. Dow, right, still holding. All right. Last week just held a high last week on the Dow. Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq finally, guys, breaking resistance, breaking all-time high. So Nasdaq broke all-time highs last week. Right. This is brand new territory. All right, for the Nasdaq. S&P, look at the S&P, guys, keeps moving higher. Here was the all-time high. Actually, right here was the all-time high. And here we are. These are far above the all-time highs we are on the S&P. All right. No pullback yet. All right. All green candles moving up nicely there. Russell finally broke out convincingly. All right. Big candle here. Buy signal was here. All right. So it's getting past this support and resistance zone right here. All right. So Russell getting in on the action. All right. Dollar. All right. Dollar is just holding. We'll take a look at the dollar pairs. Dollar is just holding. Pound yen. Hold on. All right. Pound yen. All right. Holding. Keeps moving higher there and just holding right here. Pound yen. All right. Bonds. We're going to start looking at bonds. We've been talking about bonds. All right. Slowed down a bit, consolidating. We'll see if we can get buy signals in bonds. All right. All right. Current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper. We will take a look at futures this evening also. All right. Equities, we'll do equities tomorrow. All right. So Monster Scalper, all right, long positions, right, on the 240. All right. All right. Aussie, pound Aussie, all right, still holding its buy signal, guys. Buy signal right here. All right, let's move this right here. All right, white candles here, a bit of a pullback. right? We need buyers to just come back in, break through that resistance here. Buy signal there, nothing to do. Euro Aussie, all right, same thing, all right. White candles here. And keep an eye here that we do have new downs here. So keep an eye on the price action there. All right. You get a red candle sell signal, just close the trade, please. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand holding. All right. Buy signal here, holding fine. Target here. All right. USD HKD, your dollar pairs. All right. Buy signal here. This one is holding fine, moving up nicely there. All right. USD HKD. All right, dollar CAD, right? Buy signal here. That's holding purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it, guys. All right, this could happen here, right? Where it comes back down. We've got pretty good support. Hold on. Right about here. So if it gets back in that box, that's a concern. Okay. All right. So we just need buyers to hold and continue to move higher there. Dollar CAD. All right, USD HUF buy signal is here. That's holding. USD NOK give a sell signal. So close that trade, please. Buy signal was here. Red candle, sell signal right here. Close the trade. So USD NOK, close the trade, please. All right, we'll take a quick look at the dollar index also. All right, USD NOK, close the trade. EURSEK, all right, red candle, close that trade, please. Right here, red candle, buy signal, red candle here, close the trade. So EURSEK, close that trade, please. All right. Dollar index quickly. Let's take a quick look. All right. So the index, dollar index, purple support and resistance, white candle here. We had buyers, guys, trying to get back in, but choppy, just choppy in here. But buy signal still holding. Okay. All right. All right. Short positions. We do have some shorts. We do have some shorts. Hold on. Right here. All right. We do have some shorts in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. All right. CAD yen short. All right, CAD yen sell short signal here, trading right here, red candle. All right, just keep an eye on it. We need sellers to come back down, breakthrough support here. All right, CAD yen, Aussie yen. All right, sell short signal is here. Here we are right here, guys. If it breaks through that, right, resistance right here, trend line right here, gives a green candle, go ahead and close the trade. All right. We need sellers to come back down. Really keep an eye on this one here. I wouldn't, if you guys want to if anyone is in this, you want to close it ups, wouldn't blame you for that. Okay. Big pullback right here. All right. NZD, JPY, that one is still holding. All right. So sell short signal is here, holding all red candles. A bit of a pullback, but no white candles. Right. Red candles looks like wants to come back down. All right. Target is all the way down here. All right. So 3 yen pairs short. All right. Now we don't have a current rotation in Forex, so just be careful. Nice. Forex dominator. All right, long positions in Forex dominator. All right, EURTRY still moving higher, guys. All right, buy signal all the way down here. Look at that. Nice green candles continuing to move higher here. Dollar TRY, USD TRY, buy signal here, slowly moving higher. Great trades going there with the Turkish pairs. EUR AUD, right? EUR AUD. All right, let's bring in our lines here. All right, so with this one, guys, we need to break resistance. We need to get past resistance, and we've got strong resistance there. Okay, so here's your markdown phase, right? You're selling. Your markup phase, buy signal, we've got to get past this area here. All right, right about here, we've got to get past, and then we have resistance up here. So buy signal here, right? And it's moving higher. We've got higher lows right here. Higher lows moving higher. All right, green candles, we just need to break through that resistance here. Euro, all right, Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie. Euro CAD. All right, same thing here. Now with this one here, also we've got support. All right, so we've got a really good support here, really good resistance. You know, these Euro pairs have been tricky for months now. All right, and let's do this. There's your markdown, markup. So we got to get out of this zone here. All right, buy signal here. We need to get past this area here, Euro Aussie. And this is similar with a lot of the Euro pairs. All right, Euro Swiss, buy signal here. This one is moving up nicely here, heading towards resistance right here. All right, again, good resistance here. Just have to break through. Okay, buy signal here, break through that resistance. If we can get past this area, second resistance here. All right, Euro Swiss, Euro CZK. All right, this one has been moving up nicely. Buy signal here, all green candles. Now we do have near-term resistance up here. So let's bring this resistance line right here. Buyers are sitting here, right? Right. Just need to break through resistance. Buy signal all the way down here. All right. EUR CZK, EUR NOK. All right. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right. But still holding. No red candles. All right. Right here. We got good support here. Not that we need it, but it's good to see that here. Good support here. All right. We just need buyers to come back in and push higher up here, right? EURNOK. Euro ZAR. EUR ZAR. All right. Just sitting right at resistance. Same thing. We just need buyers to come in. So you guys see what's going on with the ZAR pairs. All right. A lot of the ZAR pairs are trying to move higher, but boy, they've been stuck. But the Euro pairs, like I said, look at the Euro pairs, guys. Right. So we're just hoping for the Euro pairs to finally break out. All right. Support and resistance here. So look at that. Right. But finally, here we're getting higher lows here. Just need to break out. All right. Dollar pairs in Forex Dominator. USD CAD, so dollar CAD, buy signal here, holding, right? Just need to get up to resistance here, hopefully break out. Dollar Swiss, right? Buy signal here, trading fine so far. Need to break through this resistance here. You guys can see what's going on with the market, all right? Somewhat of a standstill. All right, USD CNH, buy signal here, just holding, need to break out. USD CZK, this one, buy signal here, right at resistance, right here. This is where sellers are sitting. All right, but hey, no indication of sellers yet. All right, all green candles. We just need to break through these resistance levels here. All right, USD CZK. All right, USD HUF, same thing. Buy signal here, and it's just holding right here. But recently, we've got higher lows, right? Needs to test resistance up here. This is where sellers are sitting here and here, right? But hopefully, we can break through. USD SGD, same thing here. Now, this one here has white candles, so keep an eye on it, guys. Anytime we get white candles, all right, that's somewhat neutral, so keep an eye on it there. All right. And we've got some yen pairs. So we've got quite a few pairs in Forex Dominator. CAD yen, CAD yen. All right, buy signal here. All right, holding. Euro yen, euro yen. All right, buy signal here. Let's bring this in. Now these yen pairs have done well in the past. So hopefully we'll get another move. Here is your markup phase and resistance here. Right. We'll bring that right. Yeah, let's keep it right here. All right. EURJPY. Okay. Now the yen, remember pound yen, guys, it's breaking out. All right. On the weekly time frame. So this pair should follow. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen, buy signal here, just holding. All right. I haven't looked at the data this week, but if the market might be waiting on data to finally move. Okay. HKDJPY, buy signal here. This one here is holding also. All right. So there must be data, big data coming out this week. SGDJPY, same thing here, holding. So they're all holding, guys, all holding right at resistance. Amazing. See what they're doing, guys? They're just holding that price right there. All right. So we would like a breakout. All right. Oh, guess what? Sellers could come in. All right. So it's just waiting here. All right. Patiently. All right. So sellers could come in like this right here. So they're just waiting. I think they're waiting for data. All right. USD JPY, same thing. Buy signal here. Here is this one here, waiting right at resistance. So if anyone is in this, I would keep an eye on them. All right. No, this is on the daily time frame here. All right. Forex Dominator. So definitely keep an eye on these. All right. Let's take a look at Monster Futures, and then we'll take a look at E-mini. Okay. All right. So Monster Futures, we've got some positions. Let's take a look at those long positions. The first one is crude oil. All right. So crude oil is trying to make a move higher, guys. Buy signal here, right? In Monster Futures, crude oil. All right. First target is here. Lean hogs. All right. Buy signal is here. Pull back. All right. Very choppy in here, guys, but it's holding. Right. We need to get past resistance here. All right. Um, the S&P. You guys know what's going on with the S&P. All right. Big move in the S&P. All right. So SP 500 buy signal here. Daily time frame. Guys, look at this move in the S&P. All right. Now the S&P 5,000 was a big mark for traders. All right. Big area for traders. And we're getting past that 5,000 mark on the S&P. That's a big deal. All right. So S&P 5,000 on the Dow 40,000. Dow 40,000 is a big deal. Now, two things can happen when these markets hit these target numbers. They can have a blowout, right? A blowout top, right? They can really blow out. Or sellers, right, can come in, right, start selling. All right. So just be aware of that. But so far, right, no sellers in sight. We do have a purpose support and resistance here that came in. And you guys know when we get purple support and resistance, we're getting somewhat overbought. Okay, so keep that in mind, right? S&P 500, good trade here. All right, here's the Russell, right? Russell just gave a buy signal, so we've added the Russell here. Our second trade here. Here's a really good markdown phase. All right, really good markdown phase here, markup phase, and we have a second buy signal. The first buy signal, I think we missed that one, but we have a second buy signal right here, and it's breaking resistance right here. All right, and this is in monster futures. All right, good resistance here, here, and now we're breaking out. Okay, all right. Feeder cattle, feeder cattle closed. So right, feeder cattle closed its long trade. So let's close this trade here. All right, so buy signal was here, and that's a clean trade. Not a big trade, but a clean trade. Buy signal was right here on the break of this resistance, right here. Broke support, right? Broke support. Sell signal by our systems right here. All right, so close the trade, please. All right, good trade here. Um, Clean buy signal, clean sell signal there. Okay, and that's feeder cattle. Right, gold, we also added gold as a new buy. Right, that buy signal came in on Friday. Let's draw it out. All right, looks choppy there, but let's make sense of it. All right, so here's your markdown phase. All right, somewhat of a markup phase here, but this is what we want to show here. All right, we're breaking resistance here. All right, so we're getting past all of this area. Nice big candle here. All right, this is in gold. And gold hasn't made a big move in a while, guys. All right, so big buy signal here. But I'll be careful with gold. Gold is trading at right at 2,000 and change. All right. Hey, Solomon, welcome. All right, but we never know, right? Just take the trade, right? So finally trying to break out. So we'll see what gold does. All right. And live cattle. Let's see, live cattle holding fine. All right, here's your markdown phase. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Got a big candle. All right, buyers came in nicely. Resistance is right here. All right, now live cattle will move. Look at the previous trade here. All right, so it will move. Buy signal here, trading nicely. The goal is to break through that resistance there, and there's a good chance, right? Live cattle could do it. It does trade well. Okay. All right. This is in Forex Dominator. All right. E-minis. So our US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders. I got some calls on Friday about this trade right here. Right. Notice we didn't call this buy signal on the US 30 on Friday. Very, very choppy. All right. Now, what we're waiting for on the US 30, all right, is for price to break through. Let's bring this up right here. So we do have a buy signal, but we're waiting. All right. Very choppy in here. We need price to get above resistance right here. All right. So if it can get above resistance, it's holding fine here. We need this candle here. All right. Or a few more candles to get above resistance and hold. And we might call it then. Okay. All right. So current current buy signal, we're just holding. Now on the daily time frame, looks good. All right. Daily time frame looks good. No purple support and resistance in this area here. All right, we're looking for it to break on the daily time frame, near-term resistance right here. But no complaints on the US 30 on the daily time frame. Okay. So again, all we need is for price to settle above resistance here. If that happens overnight, we might call it overnight. Okay. But remember, most of your volatility will come in the New York session. Okay. All right. No shorts. You guys know that. No shorts there. Okay. Overall trend is long. The NAS 100, right? We do have a great trade going here on the NAS 100. So the NAS 100 did break out. All right. Buy signal here. Here it is on the daily. Buy signal here. Nice trade going here. All right. So hopefully you guys caught some of this move right here. All right. Great trade going with the NAS 100. And it has cleared resistance here convincingly. Okay. The S&P also gave a nice, got a nice trade going here. Okay. So very similar to the NAS. All right, we did get a white candle here, but held previous resistance becomes support, held, and then buyers came back in pretty good on Friday. All right, so this is good price action here, guys. All right, really, really good price action, and the Dow wasn't up, only 90 points. All right, so really good trading. We're just waiting for the US 30 to do the same thing. We do have purple support and resistance here. All right, on the S&P daily, so we'll keep that in mind, but it is breaking resistance there. Okay, but just remember, US 30, we're just holding, and it looks like it could break out, especially with the other E-minis moving higher. Okay, all right. All right, we look for equity positions. We've sent out a lot of stock boss and bullmaster trades earlier this evening. So our stock boss traders, bullmaster traders, make sure you go through those trades. Okay. I want to show you guys what's going on with stock boss. We'll go over equities tomorrow. I want to show you guys. They haven't stopped buying equities, right? But they're definitely buying more. Okay, so just want to let you guys see here. So in stock boss, we have 114. Let's do that again. 114. So we've got a lot of good activities in stock boss. Bullmaster, let's see how many we have here. 187 stocks, guys, in Bullmaster. Okay, so those of you trading stock boss, Bullmaster, we've sent out tons of picks earlier today. So go through those, find your opportunities. Okay. All right. Let's look to add some positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. Now, like I said, we don't have a lot of volatility right now. Right. Prices they're just holding right at resistance. If you guys look here, we've got about 50%. All right. So not a lot of movement, 50% consolidation, right? 50% of the pairs consolidating, 50% trying to move, right? Trying to get into that markup phase. All right. So we're not all the way down here with volatility. So keep that in mind. Now, when we look at our Monster Forex tracker, all right. I know a lot of you guys don't have this tool, but if you notice here, right, it's on the daily time frame. We've got a bit of consolidation on the daily. All right. Even on the 240 here, which we use for Monster Scalper, all right, we have some consolidation here. Even on the 60-minute, look at the 60-minute. Look at all of this consolidation here. All right. So just be careful. And everything is mixed here. All right, everything is mixed. Okay, we'll look to find some opportunities, but just know things are consolidating right now. But like I said, I think we've got news coming out this week. All right, so just keep that in mind. Don't focus on the news, right? But That's usually the case. If it starts moving again, you will know that, hey, we had news to move it. Okay. So we'll go through Monster Scalper. We'll look for long opportunities, see if we can add anything. Okay. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand, we're in that already. All right. Aussie, Swiss. Keep an eye on Aussie, Swiss. And you guys can do this. You see here, we have a buy signal here. Here's your markdown, markup, buy signal, sell signal here. And here is a markdown or pullback. So let's draw that in and then just wait. All right. Here's your markdown, markup here. And we just need to wait and for a buy signal. Buyers are coming in. Only concern here is your you have a purple support and resistance. But if we can get past this area here, all right, we can get a buy signal here. All right, so just keep an eye on Aussie, Swiss. Aussie, New Zealand, all right, already gave a buy signal and it's holding here. All right, purple support and resistance there. Aussie CAD, same thing here. So just keep an eye on these. All right. It's a good idea to draw in your line so that if those buy signals come in, you're ready. Okay. And you just wait. Just wait. Okay. First buy signal was here, sell signal here. Here we are moving higher. So we could get possible buy signal. Just wait on the buy signals because we need price to break resistance. All right. So we've got resistance, I would say right about here. All right. This is where the previous buy signal failed. All right. So if we can move higher, anywhere in this area, we could get a buy signal. So keep an eye on the Aussie pairs. Okay. And we would like to see, right, these pairs. Hold on. We could see buyers come in too in the Kiwi, right? New Zealand, and then possible the yen pairs. Okay, I know we shorten a few of them. Okay, but that can change. All right. These yen pairs will follow the equity markets, and we know what's going on with the equities, right? They're moving higher. Dollar pairs, USD TRY, nothing here. Right, nothing here. I would just be careful with any of the. We have no direction, long or short, guys. Really, with the dollar right now. The last time we shorted the dollar, you guys know that short didn't last long. So just be careful with the dollar pairs. All right. USD DKK. Okay. Um, the bias with the dollar is still to the upside. Okay. You guys can see here, and we still have a buy signal on the dollar index, but we don't have any follow through yet. Your EURTRY, we're in that already on the daily. Look at that, mixed, very mixed here. EURHUF. That's a good trade going here. Okay. We could perhaps bring in our smaller time frame. We might find some opportunities there, but just like I said, be careful. Nothing here. All right, you guys see this here? All right. Very mixed right now. Okay. Pound Swiss, you might find a right on the 30-minute, you might find a signal. Okay, just look here, not a lot of direction. Okay, all right, let's take a look at some shorts. So the yen pairs, let's see. So let's see here. Hold on. Let's get. I think we short CAD yen. Was it CAD yen? CAD yen, pound yen. Let's go back. So we might have some opportunities, additional shorts. Okay, so Aussie, so right here. So Aussie, we currently short Aussie yen, CAD yen, and then New Zealand yen. All right, so let's go back. And we'll end with these, guys. We're almost done. We'll end with this. See if we can find some few more shorts. All right, so Aussie yen right here. All right, Aussie yen right here. CAD yen. All right, so CAD yen coming back down. Good to see there. Let's bring in our lines. Forex is still all over the place, guys. All right. And target is all the way down here. So we got red candles. Sellers are coming back in. Look here. Right. All right. So CAD yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, New Zealand yen, NZD. And we can, I mean, this is a good setup here. All right. Markup phase. All right. Brook support here, markdown. Got out of that distribution phase. Still red candles there. All right. Only decent trade we've got right now. Target all the way down here. Near-term support right here. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can add. Those are the current trades. So dollar, USD, JPY. All right. Let's see what's going on here. All right. All right. So we'll add this one. Let's see down here. Okay. USD, JPY. All right. That's short in Monster Scalper. Okay. Here was the sell short signal here, guys. All right. We got green candles here, but here we are. It's coming back down. All right. Big sell in here, big candle here. All right. Coming back down nicely. Hopefully this time breaks through support here, target all the way down here. All right. And the dollar, this pair is always a concern, the dollar yen, because it will go with the dollar, it will go with the yen. All right. But the dollar isn't strong. The dollar isn't strong, so we could get weakness here. Okay. USD JPY. Let's keep going. TRY JPY, TRY JPY. Short, good short going here. Very choppy, low in the markdown phase. All right, not ideal, but it is breaking lower. All right, so that's low in the markdown phase. So we passed on this one, but guess what? It's moving lower. A lot of consolidation in here, but it's just low. See here, really low in the markdown phase there. So we passed on this one. SGD let's see here. All right, so sell short signal was there. We got a green candle. All right, this one here, we'll look to take another chance here. Let's add it. Set up nicely there. We just need some more selling. Remember, guys, be careful with any of these. You can trade lightly, small position, first position, you can always add as the trade develops. Okay. All right. Support is right here. All right. So we need to break through support here. Target all the way down here. All right. And that's SGD. All right. New Zealand yen, we're in that already. HKD. Let's add this one also, guys. Same thing here. Forced to get out, green candles. Here we are. They're testing it again, right? We're looking for a break of support here. Here is your sell short signal right there. And we are nicely in the markup phase. That's what we want. All right. That's your distribution phase coming into the markdown phase. Okay. So hopefully this time will be the right time. Sell short signal here, sellers coming in, target here. First target, second target, all the way down here if it gets past this area here. Okay. We have a lot of support here though. All right, we're almost done. This is the best trade right now, best setup right now. All right, HKD, JPY for Forex, meaning right, for Forex. HKD, JPY short in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, a few more pound yen. All right. We're going to call pound yen, but I would wait, guys. We'll call it. All right, but wait for entry for this red candle to close. It's trying to turn red right here. All right, we just need it to close. All right, and then that would be your entry there. Okay. These yen pairs are due for a pullback, guys, a decent pullback. Okay, you guys know they've had pound yen, for example. I think that went up about 800 pips. Definitely due for a pullback. Okay, so here is pound yen here. I think from here to here was 500 pips. I'm sorry, that's pound Swiss. Hold on. Pound yen, pound yen. Yeah, this trade here from here to here was 500 pips. 182 to 187, that's 500 pips. And then this next trade was buy signal here, 187 to 190, 300 pips. So that's 800 pips, guys. So they're due for some selling. Okay. So pound yen, we'll add it, but just wait. Wait for that red candle to close. This one right here. It needs to close red. GBP, JPY. Short in Monster Scalper. Okay. Let's break support, near-term support, and then we've got further support right here. Yeah, they're due. Yen pairs are due for a pullback for sure. It's a lot of pips, 800 pips without any major pullbacks. All right. And we're not guessing. I mean, we see we have a sell short signal. They're trying to take this yen pair short. All right. So wait for that candle to close right here. Okay. And you guys know pound yen will move. Euro yen, wait for that. Swiss yen, Swiss yen is setting up now. All right, so we've got Swiss yen. You guys know we've stuck on a pretty good consolidation here. Here's resistance here. Here is support, right? We've tested several times, right? Short signals right along here. Here we are now. So hopefully this is the one. Okay. Um, we've got a red candle here, and it's looking right here. All right. So we'll call this one too, but just wait. I would wait for a candle to get down in this area here. All right. So anywhere in here, right, that might be your trigger to short it. Swiss, CHF, JPY. So they're definitely setting up. Okay. In Monster Scalper. All right. And this is high, right? It's high up here. That's what we want. CAD yen, we're ready in CAD yen. Aussie yen, we're ready in Aussie yen. Okay. All right, guys. That's all I've got. You keep an eye on these markets. Equities are solid. All right. Equities solid right now. No complaint with equities. Even crypto, all right, is solid. US 30, the E-minis looks good except for the US 30. Okay. Um, really, we have a buy signal here, but please wait. You see here, sellers are here. They're really they're struggling. Very different, all right, with the NAS. All right. So the US 30, all right, just wait for it to break above resistance, all right, and settle above resistance. Okay. And that could happen overnight. I doubt it. All right. It will perhaps happen, if it's going to happen, in the New York session. If the equity markets close down, then just be very don't if the look at the futures market. Okay, overnight, keep an eye on it. Right now it's down. Okay, so that's really risky, all right, to get in now the NAS, it's already in profit. So if it closes, that's fine. Buy signal was here, sell signal would be somewhere up in this area here. All right, so that's fine. All right, on the NAS, even the S&P is fine. Okay, so right here, S&P is fine. That's in good profit, but the US 30 is not. Okay, so that buy signal here, that's why we need to wait. Okay, because if sellers come in, that could come down, right, rapidly here. Futures market, right, currently the Dow is down just 41 points. Right? Dollars down. All right. NASDAQ is up right now. So, all right, just be careful with that US 30. Wait on it. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. I will see everyone tomorrow. Okay. Just be patient with Forex, right? All the other markets looks fine, but Forex a bit tricky right now. But those yen pairs, we could get, especially if the equity market's down a bit tomorrow, we could see the yen pairs move lower. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for coming. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.